am Alessandra Schinocca. I am a ceramist from Catania. I create works ranging from simple objects to pieces for the exterior and interior design. I take care of every detail of my work, such as the Moor's heads, of which I take great care of the expression of the eyes, the face. They must transmit love, poetry.
Io cerco di mettere sempre la Sicilia nei miei lavori,
I always put
soprattutto
Sicily
nei
in my
colori.
work, especially our strong colors that recall our land.
E cerco di seguire sempre questa linea che io ho chiamato sicilianità, appunto.
These are our pine cones that have the passionate colors of Sicily, a people full of fire inside. There are so many furnishings objects. There are unique pieces like this pine cone box, also made entirely by hand. These are Sicilian tambourines to hang, commissioned by a young American woman who is graduating from college.
La fantasia non ti manca.
No, io parto dal tradizionale decoro che può essere questo.
I start with traditional decor like this one, all the way up to something modern, like these single-color pine cones or this lamp. Well, ceramic is not only tradition, but it also fits the modern perfectly. These pine cones are lamps. This trinacchia is ready to be decorated. It was in terracotta. I dip it in this liquid substance that is ceramics for a fraction of a second in contact with oxygen. It dries immediately and then you can decorate it without making a mistake because you can't go back. And then I put it in the oven. After 25 years, I still get excited about this work. And the most exciting moment is when you open the oven and fear that something may have gone wrong. These are stars from our sea, and this is a pine cone jar. I absolutely love making lava stone tables. I'll show you one. This is a Christmas tree with a pine cone instead of a star.
È un albero di Natale.
Questo è un albero di Natale col puntale pigna. Foglie d'acanto. Sì, questo pesce è un articolo nuovo.
This fish is a lamp with a candle. The light comes out of here and projects out.
E la luce fuoriesce da questi fori proiettandosi